Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswati International Academy. I am teaching General Knowledge of Standard First. Here we are going to start chapter number 1, Weather Part 1. First of all, I would like to explain the index of General Knowledge book. So, on first page, you can see there are total 34 chapters. In semester 1, we are going to learn chapter 1 to 17. And with these 17 chapters, we are going to learn updates of some interesting news. So, today we are going to learn chapter number 1, Weather. Let's start. Everyone knows that what do you mean by weather? So, in today's world, you can feel rainy season, summer season and winter season. So, if we talk about rainy season, then you can imagine this picture. If we talk about summer, then we can see this picture because in this picture sun is very bright. And when we talk about winter season, at that time we see that many peoples or all the peoples wearing woolen clothes for protecting our body from cold. So, weather is a temperature or a condition that varies from day to day session. Okay, so let's start chapter number 1, Weather. Fill in the blanks with the help of the picture given. So, there are total 4 pictures you can see here, and here you can see options were given. Now, with the help of these options, we need to answer these questions. So, let's start. First of all, what are the options? Sunny, windy, rainy and cloudy. Let's start. You can see in this picture that 3 boys are playing in rain. Okay, so this picture is of rainy season. Our first question is, we get wet when it is dash. We get wet, that means हम भीगते कब है, गीले कब होते हैं? So at the time of rainy season. So your answer is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. So if we talk about rainy season, then what terms we need to see? So a rainy day is a day which cools the weather with rain showers and a refreshing breeze. So you can see here these boys are playing and they are very refreshing. It is a boon for trees, birds, animals, plants and people during summer. A rainy day plays a vital role for farmers as they need rain to grow their crops. So everyone knows that farmers are very happy when rainy season comes. So we get wet when it is rainy. Our second picture, we can see that the sun is hide over here with clouds. Okay, so when this happen at the time of cloudy day, what do you mean by clouds? You can see in this picture, these are the clouds. So let's read the sentence. We cannot see the sun when it is cloudy. Okay, when cloudy day is there, at that time we cannot see the sun because of that clouds. So what is cloudy day? When the sky is cloudy, it's so full of clouds that you cannot see the sun. So you can see in this picture. A cloudy night isn't great for star gazing. जब क्लाउडी नाइट रहती है तब हम लोग इजीली स्टार्स को देख नहीं सकते हैं. अ क्लाउडी स्काई टेल्स यू दैट रेन्स ऑन द वे. जब क्लाउड्स गैदर होते हैं तब क्या होती है? बारिश होती है. सो दिस क्लाउड्स आर हेल्पफुल टू क्रिएट रेन्स. Now let's see number 3. You can see here sun is rising here. So let's read the sentence. Everything is bright and clear when it is sunny. See, when sunny day is there, at that time you could not see any clouds. Okay, the bright light of the sun directly hits our body at the time of sunny day. So at the time of sunny day, children love sunny days as they offer them ample opportunity to play outside the house. We also enjoy delicious foods like cold salads, ice creams and cold drinks. The number 4, you can see here, the trees are dancing here because of this wind. Okay, so this is called a windy day. Let's read this sentence. The trees dance to and fro when it is dash. Trees कब यहाँ से वहाँ होते? जब हवा बहुत क्या हो? तेज हो. Okay, so the force of the wind is more in windy days. You can see here these trees are moving here and there. So why? Because the force of the wind is more. Due to wind, the bark of the trees looks like they are dancing. We can also flew a kite on windy day. So here we conclude our chapter number 1, that is weather. So in this chapter, what we had learned? We learned about rainy day, cloudy day, sunny day and windy day. If we talk about rainy day, at that time we get wet. Okay, and if we talk about cloudy day, at that time we cannot see the sun, and in sunny day everything is bright and clear because of sun's light. And in windy day you can see that the trees are moving here and there because of the force of the wind. So we all experiences all types of days given in this picture. So you need to write all these answers in your textbook by yourself, and you need to learn and by heart all these spellings. So let's revise the spellings and how to pronounce the spellings. So let's start with rainy. Spelling of rainy is R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. The second word is cloudy. So spelling is C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. The number 3 is sunny. sunny, sunny. The fourth is windy. windy, windy. So with the help of revising these words, you can easily pronounce these words and easily by heart these words. Thank you.